Hi everyone, welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Today we are going to do a quick analysis of Qualcomm with a market cap of $165 billion, current stock price at $147.43, and they're operating in the semiconductors industry. During the last 10 years, they are lagging behind the S&P 500 a bit, and that is with the dividend reinvested. Now for some fundamental data. Sales growth 7.3%, earnings growth 15.6%, earnings estimates 7.62%, return on capital 19.5%, the debt to the free cash flow 2.78 years, and they have been buying back shares. The dividend yield is 2%, the payout ratio is at a low 23%, the growth rate at 5%, and they have been growing the dividend for 19 consecutive years. That makes up for 9 out of 10 points, not bad. And they are just missing out on the threshold at the earnings estimate at 8%, so almost at perfect 10. Now let's check out the valuation in fast graphs. Here in fast graphs we can see here at the orange line, which is the earnings, that has been going quite well until 2014, where the earnings actually declined 5 years in a row. So that's a bit rough. After that, I think they got a deal with Apple and the earnings has just been skyrocketing. And the dividend, which is the white line here, is also very stable. Let's add in the price and the normal PE so we can check the valuation. And if we project out to 2024, we can see that we have an expected total annual rate of return of over 29%, which is great. So this might actually be a nice time to pick up some Qualcomm. Please share your thoughts on Qualcomm in the comments below. Also, if you would like to request other stocks for me to analyze, just make a comment. And see you next time, guys. Hej då!